Greetings, my family. Them say one Jamaican woman was remanded in Cape Cod, Massachusetts because she's a housekeeper and it look like the owner of the house running pan her and she just punch up in blouse and skirt.
Tune into Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jack Webby said that.
Blessings, family and friends. Thanks for tuning in. Cape Cod, Massachusetts, USA. A Jamaican woman on Monday plead guilty. A Jamaican woman on Monday plead not guilty. Cause me go fi say she a idiot. In Massachusetts, USA, court fatally stabbing a man during an altercation, which she told the police investigators stemmed from an unwanted advance. Aneka Brown, 35 years old, housekeeper, was slapped with the charge of manslaughter, assault and battery with a dangerous weapon stemming from the incident on Monday morning. Then she no say advance, him did a advance. A matter of fact, she says it was persistent advance. The arraigned. Now according to reports, Cape Cod Times, at about 9:15 a.m., the Harwich police were responding to a 911 call about the potential stabbing at 860 Route 28 in South Harwich, Cape Cod, Massachusetts. On arrival, the officer found a man seriously wounded and later succumbed to his injury at the Cape Cod Hospital. His identity was not released. Brown was subsequently arrested, and at the appointed time, she was taken to the Orleans District Court on Monday afternoon, where she pled not guilty. Her attorney, Brad Simpson, urged the court to grant the client bail, that she had no previous criminal records and would be no danger to the community. The furtherance of the point, he revealed that Brown has had to travel to Massachusetts for work as a housekeeper since 2015. He also argued that the possibility of self-defense claim could be brought by Brown in the future, as his client told investigators that the incident stemmed from an unwanted, persisted advance, the report said. However, the prosecution was with representative and said that the Assistant District Attorney Michelle Giardino said bail should not be granted considering the base and the nature of the crime. Judge Robert Welch III sided with the prosecution and ordered the Jamaican woman to be held in custody for 120 days. Brown is said to return to court on probable cause hearing December 2nd. Now you hear that? The housekeeper left her dirty yard at Jamaica and gone a foreign gone clean up people place. And when she reached upon the base, because the US man have good taste, and she probably wearing something tight with lace, him couldn't control himself, so him run in. And she say, yo, don't run in. And him persists to run in. And she said, don't run in. Me married. Me is a woman of God. Me and my husband, you are gonna take. Me no come a foreign for take stepper. And him persist. And you don't know where she do. She know where the nice them keep. Cause as she a wash she plate them. So when him continue to approach her, she used the sharp object and punch her him rotted. Listen. That woman here will get off of that case here. Cause if she have enough sense, she just tear up her own clothes. You all gone take. Just hope no camera no day I catch you. Cause me don't know what a woman would have fellows then good foreign job. You all gone take. Especially if it's a European man. Cause you know black woman love them. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I'm reporting live in the Deep Roots studio that Jamaican woman, yes, them say she a clean house. A probably more than a house she did a clean. You all gonna tell she probably was confronted with the merchandise where she clean. And he missing. And she probably want to cover up it. Because she's been driving all the way to Massachusetts. Them see a Cape Cod. She never won the card at this time. So she just punch you up a fish. Ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. I'm talking about Aneka Brown. 35-year-old housekeeper. Them say them charge her with manslaughter, assault with battery and dangerous weapon. And she said it stemmed from a incident where the man persistently advanced upon her. She have a lawyer, she de offering, so I hope her bank account no borrowed. Because from when me a look and I see them the big house, it no look like it a go so. So she better pray. And my opinion that. Hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Bless up yourself. I saw we do it. You arganty, I saw we do it.
Yes, sir, you don't know. I and some culture bigging up Deep Roots TV. Big up Deep Roots TV. Shout out Deep Roots TV.
Boy, Aneka, at the wrong place you go commit them thing because the man they are the liar. Me not tell you no lie, they are the liar.